Alright, now I'm in question number 10A from 2075 109 AP of compulsory mathematics. The questions is like this. If a dice is rolled and a coin is tossed at the same time, that means one dice and one coin is tossed, and find the probability of occurring prime number on the dice. Firstly, you have to know what are the prime number in a dice. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Out of them, 2, 3, 5 are the prime number. There could be prime number on a dice and head on the coin. What is the possibility of having prime number on the dice and head on the coin? So and is the most important thing here. And is the most important part, which is the multiply. Or means sum and n means multiply if the two events are independent. Look at here, when I throw dice and toss a coin, these two events are completely independent, right? It does not affect to the other. Occurrence of one does not affect to the occurrence of other. So these two are independent event anyway, right? So firstly, write down when you toss a dice, right? What are the possible outcomes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So my even A is, what are the even A? A prime number, right? You can say prime number, which is equals to nothing more than 2, 3, 5. Then calculate what is the probability of A is. What is the probability of A is? How many are intended? How many total? So 3 over 6, which is 1 over 2. That's probability of A. Similarly, when you toss a coin, what are the possible outcomes? Head, tail. So what is the C is, even B is, you can say total, here also total, no matter. So even B is just a head, having head, right? Having head. So what is the probability of B is? Intended is 1, total is 2. 1 over 2. Now, since A and B are independent, A and B are independent, or two events are independent, so probability of A and B, right, end-to-end intersections, which is equals to nothing more than probability of A times probability of B, which is equals to 1 by 2 times 1 by 2, which is equals to 1 by 4 is the answer. Another method is, write all the possible outcomes. This is your answer. But this is another method. Write all the possible outcomes. What are they? When you toss a dice and coin, it could be 1H, it could be 2H, it could be 3NH, it could be 4NH, it could be 5NH, it could be 6NH. Or it could be 1NT, 1 and tail, right? Dice 1 and coin tail. 2 tail, 3 and tail, 4 and tail, 5 and tail, and 6 and tail. But I need prime number and head. Prime number and head. So head is only in this line, but I need a head with the prime number. So 1, 2, and 3. So what is the probability of A intersection B is? Or A and B is? 3 over total is 12, you can count them, which is again 1 by 4. You can do either way, right? You can do either way. Now, however, one method, this is short, this looks long, but they are same. Let me explain it again. Since one dice and a coin is flipped, so the total possible outcomes is 1 to 6, total possible outcome are head and tail. The first event, it says, okay, prime number on a dice. Okay, prime number 2, 3, 5. So the probability of A is 3 over 6, which is 1 by 2. And the B is head on the coin, so head is a 1 and total is 2. So the probability of B is 1 by 2. Since when I toss the dice and coin, they are independent. So A and B means we have a multiply because they are independent. So probability of A times probability of B. So I substituted the value of probability of A 1 by 2, B is 1 by 2. If I multiply them, is 1/4 is the answer. Similarly, you can do the other method. It's just note down every possible event. It could be 1 and head, 2 and head, 3 and heads, and so on and so forth. But I need the event with the head and or prime number. So prime number 2, 3, 5. With the head is this. So 3 over total is 12. Again, that is also 1 by 4 is the answer. Thank you.